Botanical paper making is very budget-friendly therapeutic craft that connects you to the nature. In this video, I am sharing 6 step-by-step tutorials to make these beautiful papers. Hello friends, welcome to Learn with Ritu. Before we start, I want to talk about 2 things. First is, you can use any available flowers and leaves for these tutorials. But keep in mind that flowers with bright pigments and leaves with defined and interesting shapes works best. And the other thing is about how to dry flowers and leaves. Take any old heavy book and press flowers and leaves flat between papers and put some weight on it. Leave them for 1 to 2 weeks before using. Let's start with botanical printing. In this technique, we will use leaves and vegetables. You will need leaves with interesting shapes and protruding veins, some paper for printing, tweezer, paper napkins, knives, palette, sponge and some paint. Mix your paint on the palette. Take a sponge and dab it in the paint to get an even coat. Now, dab this paint on the back side of the leaf because veins are more protruding here. Place the leaves ink side down on the paper and cover it with a paper napkin. Now gently press the entire leaf. Remove cover sheet and lift the leaf straight up and off the paper with a tweezer. Repeat the same to create a beautiful pattern. Same way, you can make vegetable prints. For the second technique, you will need dry leaf skeletons, mixture of PVA glue and water, some printer papers and plain white paper napkins. Apply PVA glue on printer paper and arrange dry leaves on it. Once you are done with the leaf arrangement, very gently apply glue on top of it and let it dry. In another version of the same technique, apply glue on a base paper and arrange dry leaf skeletons on it. Once you are done with this arrangement, apply glue and cover it with a plain tissue paper or paper napkin. Apply some glue on it and let it dry. Once it is dry, tear off the napkin on the edges and in some places between the leaves to reveal the leaves underneath. and your paper with dry leaf skeletons are ready. Third tutorial is about pounded flower paper. You will need fresh flowers, watercolor paper, paper napkin, a hammer or pounder. Place watercolor paper on a hard surface and arrange flowers or leaves. Once you are done with your arrangement, cover it with a plain paper napkin. Now use a hammer or a pounder around the edges of flowers and leaves until you get a beautiful print. Once you are happy with the impression, remove the cover and flowers and leaves from the watercolor paper and let it dry, and your beautiful pounded flower paper is ready. Fourth tutorial is on flower layering. For this you will need flat dried flowers, a base paper, glue and few white paper napkins. Take a base paper, here I am using a handmade sheet, and apply glue on it. Now arrange flowers on it, cover it with a crushed paper napkin, making sure all of your design fits under it. Now apply a good amount of glue on the paper napkin. Tear the edges and don't worry about the wrinkles in the napkin, they will add more texture to it. Let it dry overnight and your layered flower art piece is ready. In the fifth tutorial, we will make translucent botanical paper. For this you will need a polythene base, 2 paper napkins, tape, glue and some flat press and dried flowers and leaves. Place a polythene sheet down to protect the base and lay 1 layer of paper napkin on it. Apply glue and arrange flowers and leaves. Once you are done with the arrangement, apply glue and cover it with another layer of napkin. Apply glue on the top napkin and let it dry. Once it is dry, just pull it from the one edge to separate it from the polythene base. Paper mache botanical paper is quite similar to translucent botanical paper. Place a paper napkin on a polythene base and apply lots of glue on it. Put another layer of paper napkin and repeat this till you paste 2 to 4 layers of paper napkin. Now place flat pressed leaves and fresh flower petals on it. And cover it with another tissue paper and apply lots of glue. Repeat the same for next 1 more paper napkin so you can see the shape and color of underneath flowers and leaves. Let it dry for 12 hours and when it is dry, just pull it from the one edge to separate it from the polythene base and your paper mache botanical paper is ready. I hope you will find these tutorials very interesting. If you like what you see, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks a lot for watching.